Welcome to In 5 Minutes. We take problem on strain energy and we consider strain energy due to impact load. Problem statement is a 200 kg weight is dropped onto a collar at the lower end of the vertical bar, which is 3 meter long and 28 mm in diameter. Calculate the height of drop if the maximum instantaneous stress is not to exceed 120 Newton per mm square. Also, what is the corresponding instantaneous elongation in the bar? Take E equal to 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square. So now let us draw the representative figure for this given problem. So this figure shows a vertical bar whose diameter is 28 mm and length is 3 meter, and this bar is fixed at the top end and is free at the bottom end, and the collar is fixed to the bottom end of the bar, and on this bar a weight of 200 kg falls through some height h, which causes some instantaneous stress in the bar as well as the elongation. So in the problem we have been asked to find the maximum height of drop h such that the maximum instantaneous stress does not exceed 120 Newton per mm square, and also we have been asked to find out the instantaneous elongation. So now let us write down all the given data of the problem. The mass which falls on the bar m is equal to 200 kg. The diameter of the bar d is 28 mm. The length of the bar is 3 meter, which is equal to 3000 mm. Maximum instantaneous stress sigma is 120 Newton per mm square, and Young's modulus of the material E is given as 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square. And in the problem we have been asked to find first the maximum height of drop h, and second the corresponding elongation delta L. So now let us solve the problem. So solution: first, the load P which falls on this bar is given as m into g equal to 200 into 9.81, which is equal to 1962 Newton. Also the cross section area of the vertical bar A is given as pi by 4, A equal to pi by 4 into d square, where d is 28 mm. So the value of A comes out to be 615.75 mm square. Now we know when this load falls on this bar, there is some work done upon the bar which is stored in the form of strain energy. So we have the relation work done on bar is equal to strain energy stored in bar. So we can write WD is equal to strain energy U. Now work done by impact load is given as P into H plus delta L, which is equal to strain energy. Now we can write the formula for delta L as sigma L by E, and the formula for strain energy is sigma square AL upon 2E. Upon substituting the values of all the parameters, we have P is 1962 into H, which is to be found out, plus instantaneous stress maximum is 120 Newton per mm square into length is 3000 mm upon E, which is 2 into 10 to the power 5, is equal to 120 square into area is 615.75 into length upon 2E. So upon solving this, we get the value of H equal to 32 mm. So this is our first answer. So the maximum height of drop, so that maximum instantaneous stress is only 120 Newton per mm square, is 32 mm. Now let's find out the corresponding elongation delta L. Now delta L is sigma L by E. So we have 120 into 3000 upon 2 into 10 to the power 5, which is equal to 1.8 mm. So this is our second answer. With this, our problem is complete. Thanks for watching In 5 Minutes.